Oh, it's his original song. Let's give him a round of applause. So, Ubramtizo Umbambe Taleni Pa Uti. Elungofana ungaba le ngoma ingoma yomuntu kanye. So guys, we respect such artists as Kwazi Ubala and look at the backing track, I mean the beats, you know, it's just spot on, you know. And also, my brother again, so in the end of the day, what I want you to do to challenge you is to make a collaboration with Lamfana Mokos Imboni. Make a collaboration in between while we're singing, he comes in, Amanebo Abe breaks. So next time when I come in, even if it's this track, Kukola no try break music. He comes in, asks money to and then Kukola no try kick in again, and then when he kicks in again, you come in with, you know what I mean? You understand? So next time when I come back, let's have such a thing. Basically, the Ivana, I'm not saying to Polish.